How to search for specific item or shop on the Etsy app. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna show you the procedure on how you can search for shops or specific items on the Etsy app. So for that case, first of all, go ahead and log in into your account. And when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. And so while you're on this page, you would go ahead and use the search bar tool feature in order to look for the following specific items or shop. So all you have to do is just press on it, and then you need to go ahead and enter in the exact name of the shop. Let's see that Mario. And when you locate the following shop, then what you need to do is you can just go ahead and look for the suggestion as well if you're unable to do it so, and you should be able to find a specific item or product. However, so what you can do is, if you're unable to do this procedure, you can open up a new tab, and you can go ahead and type in it's www.etsy.com/shop, and then you can type in the name of the shop and press enter and hit enter. You should be able to find the specific shop or the product that you're looking for. So in this way, you can search for a specific item or shop on the Etsy app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.